Welcome to Market UTPS. Let's go to learn. Digital marketing. What is it? Business digital marketing, market plan, market strategy, market team. How digital marketing increases profit. Do you want to know about it? Welcome to our new online free course. Hi, I'm freelancer Millie, a passionate digital marketing expert who helps people and businesses grow online. From social media strategy to ad campaigns, I've spent my time learning how to turn clicks into customers and followers into loyal fans. Now, I'm sharing everything I know. Module 1: Introduction to Digital Marketing. 1. What is digital marketing and why it's the future? 2. How digital marketing works for business. 3. Offline versus online marketing. Thank you for watching.